so you can actually see what I'm doing. I'm going to put the other light on, because it might help a little bit. What I might do is do it from this angle. Let me just see. Right, everyone, I've got a candlestick, the egg, and I did find this fairy who's lost her feet. So, but we've got wings for her, and she's holding a bobble. But I want her to sit in there. Where are we? Can you see that? Like that. Now I'm just going to move the camera up a little bit so you can actually see everything, I think. And I'll try and remember to do that. Okay, I didn't want to waste her. She's quite nice, so I thought, no, we're not going to waste her. So I've got the wings. I need to glue this onto here, and then I need to sort out all of this. Like I say, I've cut this bit away. With these eggs, you have like a groove, and that they fit together like that. But we only need half an egg. So right now, I've got to get this how I want it to sit, and I'm going to do it like that. What do you think? So I'm just going to glue all the way around the edge, mainly on the back side of this, and hopefully let's get this right. Where do I want the pattern? There, like that. Now if I can get that to stay, that will be fab. So I'm going to have to lift that up to work, aren't I? Hopefully that'll be enough. So just need that to stay on there. I'm going to run some glue around the edge to fill it in. And I'm not fussed about this section at all. So press that down a little bit more. And we must let that dry. And then what I've got to do is to smooth that out and fill this section in. Yeah, that's going to be fine. And my little fairy is going to sit in there like that. See? So we're just going to try something. Now I've got some textured paste out. This is Daily and Rowney. I'm going to need a knife, a spatula knife, which I've got up there. Now I've got this unit on my table. Everything's put up here. Oops, don't want to drop that. So I need a spatula. Which one shall I use? Might use this flattish one, I think. Oh, I'm going to use one of my old ones. It's a bit yucky, but I like it. It's been well worn. Well worn. It's one of the original ones when they first brought them out, I think. Okay, so what we need to do is to get this paste, and we have to fill... Oh God, I've just put my hand in that, look. Never mind, it's fine. Fill this in. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. It's just filling in that. It's got to be nice and flat now. Make sure that's on there. Got to do this before it starts to dry all mine. Sorry, I'll move it into the position. If you don't use your products for a while, they do dry. And I found that out to my expense not that long ago. Oh, bum. Don't roll off, I bloody need you. Right. Do it that way then. Oh, I ain't fussed. We're going to sand it down a little bit and whatnot when I've finished, when it's dried. So I'm just going to start this now and I'll stop filming and we'll find somewhere to decorate it because I'm not sure. I want some moss on it, yes. I just want to make sure that this is levelish. Like that. That looks alright. You're not going to see it because we're going to put things on it anyway. So I'll pop that in my pot. Wipe the mess up, Fee. Right. Now, do I want to cement her in? No. We've got to do the inside yet. And I've got some flowers that I'm going to decoupage in there when I've painted it. So the next thing I can do at least is to paint. And I'm just going to get some more of those. So I've got some more of those. And it doesn't matter what state they're in, because you can cut them and they need to go on the outside. These are a little bit more colourful, this one. So we're going to put them, we'll put them evenly on the back. Like that. So I've those colours. That's it, and those. And what I want to do is on the inside, at the back, is to decoupage that on. But obviously with the fairy being in there, we want to make sure that we're going to get it in the right place, that you want to see it. So that's too low down. Oops, just be careful of that. Forgot. Oops, a daisy. So it's going to have to be decoupaged up there. That's going to be perfect. Like, I hope you can see. Like that, see? So we're going to do that. And then she will sit in there. Oh, I've done it again, for God's sake, Fee. That's why we shouldn't mess about with it till it's dried. So we can see that, and then we're going to put a couple of the smaller ones on the sides like that. But the thing is, I'm going to put them so I don't lose them. Take her out. It's all got to be painted, but I've got to do it when this is dried. So I'll put them there. And then what I've got to do is just using this, just to see if I can take any excess off. Sorry, I'm bringing you down again. It's going to be a little bit awkward. It's just to take the excess off. We will be smoothing it out. In fact, what I can do, yeah, I might smooth that out now actually. So just let me get another palette knife. Because I think it's going to be easier. Just to have it all smooth. And then I can sand it down if I have to. So it's just to pop it on. Fill any gaps up. All the way around. Might as well. Just do it like that. It doesn't have to be smooth or anything, really. It's personal choice. And you're not going to see it because I'm going to put glue some bits and pieces on it. So you're not really going to see any of it. But I just want to level it off a little bit. It's going to look fab, I think. Put that in the water. Put that one away. What I will do is just to do the inside of this ready. Now, I've got this heavy duty gel, which I'm going to use. and I need a soft brush. So I'm just going to use this one. And just by taking some of the heavy duty gel and give it a coat, and that way the pictures will stick as well nicely. Now I'm just collecting some things in to do a totally different piece of art, and I can't wait, to be honest. I've got to figure out how to do it yet. I know how to do it, it's how to make room for it on my table, because I'm not sure I've got the space. But I'm quite looking forward to it. That'll do, that's all mixed in, so I'm quite happy with that. Right, now just going to leave that to dry.